it's a 2 minutes performance, so nag-ready ako, nag-prepare ako for my 2 minutes performance. So, wala tayong a lot of time. So, meron pang siyang additional. So, naging siyang pick-up line nung una. Hindi gano'n pumatok kasi hindi lang nakipag-cooperate si Sir. Siyempre, alam natin, meron siyang hinahabol pang time. So, which is hindi ko siya na-prepare ng maayos.
Hi, Manako Kabalin! Hello! I'm Vine, DJ Vine from Araya, 20 years of age. Sir, may pick-up line ako. Konting-konti lang. Sir, kasama mo ba si Madam Auring? Sir, I'm talking to you, sir. Kasama mo ba si Madam Auring? Okay. O yung camera naman. Yung cameraman. Cameraman, kasama mo si Madam Auring? Kasi, dala-dala mo ang bolang kristal niya eh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye!